Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. If you clean your espresso machine regularly, but your coffee still tastes bitter, sour, or inconsistent, this video might be uncomfortable to hear. After repairing hundreds of espresso machines, I can tell you this with confidence. Most people do clean their machines, but they clean them wrong. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what's going wrong, why common cleaning routines actually make things worse, and what the correct fix is if you want better coffee and a healthier machine. Why regular cleaning isn't the same as proper cleaning. Most espresso machine owners think cleaning means backflushing once in a while, wiping the steam wand, and descaling when problems show up. The issue is that this approach focuses on visible dirt, not functional cleanliness. Coffee oils, fines, and mineral scale don't build up evenly. They accumulate in flow paths, valves, and thermal components that most people never touch. So even machines that look spotless on the outside can be slowly choking internally. From a technician's perspective, this is why machines fail suddenly, when in reality, they've been degrading quietly for months. The biggest cleaning mistake people make. The most common mistake is cleaning everything at once in the wrong order. People decale without clearing coffee oils first, or they backflush aggressively without addressing internal buildup. This mixes loosened scale with old oils, pushing debris deeper into solenoids, valves, and narrow passages. Instead of cleaning the machine, they redistribute the contamination. That's why machines sometimes taste worse after cleaning. Proper cleaning is a sequence, not a single action. Why overcleaning can be just as bad. Another hidden problem is overcleaning with harsh chemicals. Excessive detergent use strips protective surfaces, dries out seals, and accelerates gasket wear. From a repair standpoint, I often see machines with perfectly clean group heads, but failing valves, brittle seals, and leaking fittings, all caused by aggressive, unfocused cleaning routines. Cleaning should support machine function, not fight it. The fix: clean by function, not by habit. The real fix is changing how you think about cleaning. Instead of daily, weekly, monthly, think in terms of flow, heat, and pressure. Clean coffee contact surfaces frequently. Manage milk contamination immediately. Address water contact areas methodically, and decale only when water chemistry and scale risk actually justify it. When cleaning aligns with how the machine works mechanically, flavor stabilizes and failures drop dramatically. What proper cleaning actually improves? When cleaning is done correctly, espresso improves instantly. Water flows evenly. Temperature recovery stabilizes. Pressure behaves predictably, and bitterness disappears. Machines stop leaking unexpectedly. Diagnostics become easier. From a BrewFix standpoint, proper cleaning turns espresso machines from unpredictable boxes into stable systems you can actually trust. Why technicians clean differently than home users. Technicians don't clean machines to make them look good. They clean them to restore function. Every cleaning step has a reason. Protect seals, preserve thermal efficiency, prevent scale bonding, and maintain flow geometry. Once you adopt that mindset, cleaning stops being a chore and starts being part of brewing itself. If your espresso machine still gives you problems even though you clean it all the time, the issue isn't effort, it's approach. At BrewFix, I document real repairs and explain what actually matters when it comes to maintenance, diagnostics, and performance. When cleaning is done right, machines last longer, coffee tastes better, and breakdowns become rare instead of routine.